In this video, we are going to explain how to create your Bento Alert category in Redtail. On the main page, go to the upper right corner. Click on the username. And then select Manage Your Account. Scroll down to the Admins Only header and click on Manage Database Lists. On this page, go to Categories located in the menu on the right-hand side of the screen. Next, click on the Add button and type Bento Alert in the new field. To save, don't forget to click Add Category. There you go. Your CRM is set up to receive Bento alerts and materials. Now, if you want to change the category of a task, go to the main page by clicking on Today and click on Activities, located in the top menu of the screen. Open one of the activities by clicking on the title. A new screen will open with the task details. To change the category from General Information to Bento Alert, click on the arrow under Categories and select Bento Alert. Then, to save, click on Save Activity. If you have any other questions on how to customize your Redtail CRM for Bento, please reach out to support@bentoengine.com.